BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pontaman and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Initiate green flight sequence on deck green for Pucara.
Transporters away in 30 seconds.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transfer take off in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Hang on. Give me a moment. Affirmative. Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some fronts and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do? No. No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then wipe the navicomputer. I don't want them finding anything.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention, Resistance sympathizers. The ship is now under the command of the First Order. Everyone off the ship, go to your right down the corridor for interrogation now.
Five to the right. How many? Three to the right.
So come with me. Up ahead when they ask how many, simply say 2 and 1. You'll be down this center line here. 5. You'll stay behind them with the many creatures on that here. Forward. You'll stay behind the It will be a lot of interrogation.
Ready? Let's go. How many? Silver. How many? I'm blue. How many? 5. I want 1 blue, 4 red. 1 blue, 4 red. Stay right there. Alright, now I need your full attention. I assigned you blue. You are red. Silver and the orange line. Look down and get it memorized.
Blue, red,
Now listen. When my cell door opens, it is your responsibility to find that colored code inside this cell. When I close that door, you will be interrogated. So it's important you look down, memorize it, and get ready to talk. Especially you with your spy equipment out. Lieutenant, I'll...
4 on the blue, 3 on the red.
This line. Blue and red, enter the cell, you're on the right, find it.
How many? 3 on the silver. How many?
Let's go, red, you're on the right. Silver and orange, enter the cell, you're on the left, find it.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're here to get you out. Quickly, let's go. Orange to the right, silver in front, orange in back. All bags must go in your seatbelts go left to right. Seatbelts go left to right, bags to
Now,
Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Pilotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Right here, pull the heel on the right hand side, guys.
We gotta get out of here.
That's get out of here. Hands up. Hands up, hands up. Perfect. Be careful here, no wheels there. Alright, so any bag that you belong is doing it at all time. Anything that can fall off, also in your hands. R5, roll it to get you back. To get you safe and clear. But if anything does go wrong, you help them out, okay? Good luck at that, guys.
Anything on your head is off. R5's gonna get you back. Good luck.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching detention block 3.
Cover's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert.
There they are. Fire!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lift down. We'll cover you. Hurry!
No, not up! I said down!
Oh, here we go.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location
secret base. And then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pocket.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending for dispatch personnel.
I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod in the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I have a bad feeling about this.
No, sir, he came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him...
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
Should have waited for it.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So that's the two Resistance command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.